Morning to all. Now we are going to see about the counter instruction in the simulation. We are using the Gen support or software here. You have to create the new program here, and also you have to choose the number of inputs and outputs. Based on your requirement, you have to choose the number of inputs and outputs. Now we are using the inputs. The IOs is the number of input and output is 10. For this program, for we are using the simple program. Now we are going to create a ladder program by using the symbols, that is a NO contact and NC contact and the coil symbols. Here we are using the class push button for simple program. And also we have chosen the color as green for this start button. We are choosing the normally open contact for start button. The next one, stop push button. For stop push button, we have mentioned as stop. And also you have to choose the normally closed contact for stop. Here we have chosen the color as red. Now we are using the counter. Counter is mentioned as C. Here you see counter 1. Then the next output. We have chosen the normally open contact of this counter. You have to mention here how many count value and this is the output. Here we have mentioned as 5 count. The output is we have chosen as Q, that is a CPU unit output relay. This is a normal output operation. Here we are using the lamp as a output. Lamp 1. The simple counter instruction we are using here. For the counter, you have to provide the reset also. Here we are using the reset button. Reset button to reset the counter. You may mention as count reset. Same, you have to choose the same counter, which is counter 1 reset. Here you have to change this mode to reset operation. For reset operation, we are using the count reset. Now we are going to simulate this counter section. Start simulator. Check the number of inputs and outputs. Here we are using the 3 inputs. Start push button. You have to mention as start. Start push button. But we need not start push button. That is a count purpose we are using the start push button. Okay. And also the next one is I2 is the reset push button or reset the counting operations. And also we are using the lamp is the output device. When we will complete the 5 count, it will go. Now we are going to see about the program. We have pressed the start push button 5 times. Now if you are pressing the counter input, then no reactions here. For reset this counter operations, we have to press the